everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Google reviews to system.io, and this is actually very simple. At first you need to head over to elfsight.com, and after that you need to scroll all the way down until you see reviews. So we're going to click on see all widgets, and then you see at the beginning it should say Google reviews. If it doesn't, then you can just search for Google reviews and then click on it after it pops up. So now let's head over there, and then we're going to click on create widget just like so. And now right here you can see that they have all these types, like you have a badge, you have a grid. So let's say this is what you want. So at the green here you're going to click on this one. Let me scroll down a bit. You're going to click on add to website for free right over there. So it's going to save our widget, and now we have to sign up. So let's do that very quickly and wait for it to load up. As you can see, it has loaded up, and now what we need to do is here, let's cut that. We see this, we're going to click on install, and then from here you should see system.io, and if you don't, you can just search for it. But if it still doesn't show up for you like it doesn't for me, all you need to do is copy the code and then head over to your system.io. And after that, what you're going to do is in the website of system.io, wherever you want to add this, you're going to click on edit, and then you're going to click on add code, and you're going to paste this code over there. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.